Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of
Gardening crops.
Gardening with Crocs. I got Doug here and my buddy Owen, and we are going to show you how to take plants like this and up-pot them so they look like this. What that's going to take is going to be our special potting mix. Now you can go out and just buy a bag of Pro Mix or whatever, but I got my own little recipe I like to use. Let's get to it. You ready, Owen?
Yeah.
Let's go.
So the first step is to get some peat moss and put it into your wheelbarrow. I'm using peat moss here because it's what's available to me. I've only used about a third of this. The total of the cost of this whole cube was about 12 bucks. So the cost for that is about $4 for me. So as you see, I'm just cutting it open, dumping it into my wheelbarrow. This is going to be kind of a little bit of a base for us here to use. I think it also will help retain some moisture and just kind of give us some extra material for this. So other alternatives that you could use would be coco coir. This would be a more sustainable, greener alternative if you really wanted to use it, and that's perfectly fine. I'm just using this because this, like I said, this is what's available to me. So up next, I did add some nutrients into this mix because this mix definitely needs some nutrients to help those plants grow. So the first portion of the nutrients I used was mushroom compost. This bag here cost me about $4 at my local big box store. I like to use two different types just to get a variety of nutrients. I believe the variety is a spice of life here. So the mushroom compost will add one level of nutrients. The other compost I use is composted manure. I use 2 bags of this. That costs about $4 for the 2 bags, so $2 a bag. So I just put both of these in here and we begin to mix. So while we are mixing this, let's talk a little bit about price. The overall cost of this mix, I estimate, is right around $12. You get a full wheelbarrow full of potting mix for 12 bucks. I'd say this is about 2 bags, if not more, than a Pro Mix or a bag of regular potting soil, and about the half the cost. So you are saving some money here, and you get the neat idea of having your own mix. What you want to make sure you do is you want to make sure this is mixed thoroughly. If you watch while I'm mixing this, you'll see that it is changing colors as it mixes. So that's about all there is to it. Make sure you get it wetted down before you put it into your mix, and you are ready to go.